I'm sad because I don't like tornadoes, and I just hope that a tornado doesn't hit us.
Not the possibility is not high, right? I hope it's not high.
15% chance.
50?
15.
That's pretty low in my book. So
Worried?
Heck no.
Okay.
Honestly, I hope it hails so I get some insurance money, get a new car, or stuff like that.
What if there's a tornado?
Better take my car away, give me a new car. Better. Insurance.
Well,
I feel like the hail's going to be a bit of a problem, but I'm not too worried about the tornadoes.
okay.
I'm very happy. I probably shouldn't say what I hope it does, but at the very least, I hope it cancels the soccer game that I have today in Prairie.